po guys ang ating lunch. Ayan. Ulam po tayo ng sardinas na Spanish sardines. Ayan po guys. Ayan, dami niyang olive oil. Tapos may sausawan po tayo dito. Ito, nilagang talong. Ayan po ang ating ulam for today guys. Ating lunch. Ayan, nilagang talong. Tsaka sardinas. As ito guys. Ayan, tara guys. Kain po tayo guys. Ang ganda nito guys. Ating talong. Bagong pitas. Ayan po guys. Thank you guys for watching. Tara, kain pa tayo.